Here's how to replace the hard drive on a Lenovo P53s. All you're going to need to do that is a new hard drive. I picked this one up off of Amazon. There'll be a link in the description below. First thing you need to do is take out all these screws on the back. I'm using a J1 Phillips head style bit, so back these away real fast to take off the back casing. Be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now the case can be tight, so I recommend use a plastic little pry tool here and start on these back hinges here and try to wiggle it in and kind of pry it up. Snaps off. Now the hard drive for this computer is right here, so you'll see your little screw here. You're going to back this one out and hold onto the screw. Now slide out your old dead hard drive. Now I'm going to insert my new hard drive here. There you go. Now take your screw, put it back in, screw this hard drive back in place. Now I'll take my cover, set this back on, snap it back down into place, replace the screws, and I'm all set. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.